My name is Dominic Schwebs and I'm with SafeandVaultStore.com. I want to show you a really cool product by Tactical Walls called the 1450M Sliding Mirror. It's not just a mirror, it's actually installed in the wall and there's a compartment inside. And it opens with this magnet here. So you just find the latch and then it slides open. Normally the Tactical Walls mirror comes with these shelves inside, and they have Velcro on the back so things can stick to it. So if you had a pistol or you had any valuables that you wanted to stick to it, or organizers, this comes standard in the Tactical Walls mirror. In this particular mirror, we actually installed the SnapSafe in-wall tall safe. And so this could be installed in a wall, or you can install it inside this mirror. And so it opens with a combination. This one's set to 1, 2, 3, 4, and it just pops open like that. And so your important documents, a handgun, and some other things like jewelry and watches and things like that can be installed inside. There's some great features of this tall wall safe, such as this door. Right now the hinges are on the right, but actually you can have them on the left as well, depending on your needs. And then there's a hidden keyhole here, which is behind this magnet. And so this key will open the safe if the batteries are dead, or maybe you forget your combination or something like that. Inside, there are 5 shelves. We've got 4 installed here. And so you can organize your important items. All these shelves come out, and you could actually put a rifle in here. So the cool thing is it'd be hidden behind this door, which closes and locks, and then it'd be hidden behind this mirror. So if somebody broke into your home, they would just see the mirror and they wouldn't realize there's a safe behind it with all your valuables or your weapons in there. Having a mirror with a hidden safe inside will keep your items safe and secure. If you have any questions, give us a call. My name is Dominic with Safe and Vault Store, and thank you for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates of all of our products and videos.